Hi everyone, Araminta from the Cwicly team. Today, we will be going over global styles, their settings, and how they can be used to efficiently change a website's appearance if needed. What are global styles? They are a feature that help you, the designer, to change the overall style of your site without having to edit every individual block or section. In Cwicly, you can change the style of your design with the use of global colors, global block typography, global typography, background color, and themed elements. Cwicly provides free groups of user-defined global properties that allow you to quickly switch between possible styles. In the Gutenberg Editor, you can find this feature by clicking on the Cwicly icon. Let's start with global colors. As you can see, when you enter the global color area, 4 predefined colors are provided. My global colors are not set, so I'll do it now and name them. To demonstrate how to set your global color, let's select a block. I will select our hero and head to its background color selector. Our global colors appear at the bottom of the color picker. With one click on the desired global color, your global color is applied to the block. Let's select background. Let's head back to global colors. When we change background, our hero's background color changes instantly. As we will see later on, with a single click, you can change your global colors and radically change the look of your design to see what looks best. Now, let's move on to our global block typography. As you can see, there are already 2 default typography styles that are suggested. Don't take their names literally. They can be applied to any block. First, let's start by renaming the heading style to Elephant. Let's apply a font size of 75 pixels. Now, let's apply Elephant to this heading. In the Primary tab, let's navigate to the Typography panel and select Global. Let's apply Elephant, and voila! The typography style is now set globally, and whenever we change Elephant, every block that has the elephant element applied to its typography will change automatically. With global block typography, you can create as many custom styles as needed. They are also responsive. This can be handy if you want different blocks to share the same typography style without sharing a class name or other properties, such as color or borders. Let's create a new block typography and name it Lion. Let's apply a 50 pixel font size and set Transform to uppercase. Now, let's apply this block typography style to this button and paragraph. As you can see, both these blocks take on the same typography style without ever sharing a class. This can be powerful and time efficient when your website relies on block typographies. Now that we've explored the global design property, let's move on to global theming. The global typography group allows you to apply global typographic styles across your website for common elements, such as body text, links, headings, etc. Let's start with the body text. It's best to set your typography font here that you use throughout your website to avoid having to add it every time you create a new section. Any block except headings and links without a set typographic property takes on the properties that are set here. However, blocks with specific typographic properties applied will override the properties set in the body text. For example, let's select this paragraph that has an 18 pixel font size applied to it and remove the said font size. Heading back to our body text typography, if we tweak the properties, the paragraph takes it on seamlessly. Next, we can see the link property. Per its name, we can set the typographic style of all links with our properties in our design here. To illustrate this, let's set a red color to our links. All our links now light up in red. The same goes for the different heading properties. Next are theme elements. The Theme Elements group allows you to globally set margins and paddings to your paragraph, and soon more elements to come. Lastly, in the Theme Settings group, you can set a background color for your design. We could have chosen our yellow color as our background color since it is our primary background color. However, it was not needed. The great advantage with global settings is you can have 3 different versions of the same design. This can really help you decide what color palette, font family, font size, and typography all in all to best serve your design and aesthetic. This lets you go back and forth between your slightly changed designs without any trouble. This is great for those of you who have clients that want 2 or 3 different design suggestions for them to make a choice. I will now set up 2 other different styles of this design to illustrate just that. As you can see, all I've done is set different global colors and changed in the body text my design's font family. This drastically changes the look of my design in a few clicks. Global styles are not to be overlooked because they can really come in handy to make your editing the most efficient it can be. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop them down below, and see you soon. Bye!